Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the day. Let's get and get ready because I'm ready for you. What I want to do with you, get ready for that. Okay, let me show you. Look at that. Look at that, bro! Look at that! This is my new glass screen protector for my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in 2020. Let me show you. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Look at amazing. As you can see, it's beautiful. There are a problem here. What do a problem? The problem is this glass screen protector. Look at it's broken. And today I want to compress this for this glass screen protector. Bro, it's amazing. This is a good news. What do you think? Wonderful, beautiful. Okay, look at this girl. Amazing girl. Okay, first of all, hey, this is not gay, is the boy. Okay, first of all, you need to remove your old glass screen protector. Okay, wonderful. This is easy. Do this, okay, and remove this just like that. Can you see this? Amazing. Okay, now we'll continue the job. Before doing this, look at amazing. Look at this glass screen protector. You need absolutely to clean your phone. Okay, let's clean your phone screen. Okay, and put this beautiful glass screen protector into. Before doing this, let me show you quickly the unboxing right now. Okay, unboxing, which is easy. You can do this and unbox this. Before doing this, look at that curved edge. Amazing information for you. Okay, curved glass full glue. Wow, look at that. Curved glass full glue. Wow, look at that, what you can see. Okay, let me open this. Okay, wonderful, look at that. It's here, it's good. Amazing. Now look at it too. Ooh, look at, you can see wet and dry. Open this just like that. Ooh, this is great. This is nice. This is amazing. Wonderful. Okay. Do you use wet to clean your screen first and dry for the second time? Okay. Wonderful. Look at that. This is my new glass screen protector. This is glue. Always. Glue always is good. Amazing. Okay, now let me clean my screen and remove this sachet and put this like that on my beautiful screen. Look at. Okay, you need to put this just like that. Okay, into your phone, just like that. Where glue in under. Okay, I want to test this right now. Get ready for that in 2020. Okay, let me do this. Remove the sachet. Before doing this, make sure that you are clean your beautiful screen. Look at, you need to clean. Let me do this. Let me do this right now. Okay, now it's done. Always are clean, but you have something beautiful, something special on the screen. Let me clean again the screen, definitely, and put this beautiful new glass screen protector in there. Let's do it. Okay, let me show you how to clean. You can also use a beautiful lotus to clean your beautiful screen just like that. Okay, follow me. This is an example. Amazing. Okay, bro, I think that is clean. Now let me put this glass screen protector into. Okay, wow, it's not easy, bro. Okay, let's do it. Okay, bro. Look at. If we are called into, bro, you need to press. Okay, you need to press just like that. Okay, to put call into. This is amazing. Look at call. We are called under. This is amazing. This is for the first time I use this beautiful classical potato with call under. Let me see if it's good. Okay, continue the job. Just like that. Okay. Do this. Okay. Easily. Wonderful. It's so wonderful. It's so wonderful. It's so wonderful. It's so wonderful. Just like that. It's so wonderful. Okay, you need to press. Press. Okay. What? Look at that, bro. We're call under. Call under. This is unbelievable. Look at here. Wow. Amazing. Okay. What is so nice when you do this? Okay. My new glass screen protector is amazing. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Nice glass screen protector, bro. Is so amazing in 2020. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, it's so practical. Look at that. It's so reactive. It's so wonderful. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that, bro. Amazing. This is amazing, bro. Okay. Look at. Wow. Okay. Press the button. Okay. Always working. This is a test. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Whoa, it's amazing. It's working, bro. Lock screen. Beautiful. Press here. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, don't forget to like and share and get ready for the next video. Look at here. Look at the border. Wow, the border is great. Wow. Great. I like it. This is what I'm talking about. It's amazing. This is my new glass screen protector in 2020. I like it. Okay, subscribe, like and share and get ready for the next video. Now look at the add-on. So great. Okay, I respect that. Wow. So powerful. Okay, subscribe and get ready for the next video. Wow, look at that. The test is here. Look at. Wow, amazing. Okay, camera. You can turn. Click here. Pause. Play. Take a photo. A picture is working. Pause. Wow, it's unbelievable. It's amazing. Look at the border, bro. Look at the border. The border is nice. Okay, lock screen. Look at the border, bro. The border is so big. It's so big. And let's see my beautiful S Pen, bro. S Pen. Can I write something? Wow. Can I write something? Let me show you. Look at. Okay, it's possible to write something. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, bro. It's nice, beautiful, practical, and amazing. What? Wow. Okay. Get ready for the next video. Subscribe today. I love you so much, bro. Wow. Let me put this, okay? This class, this, put the case. And now, look at that. Look at that, bro. Amazing, bro. Look at that. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Amazing. Okay, thank you for watching.